guys, welcome back to my channel for a small CVS haul video. Everything I picked up in this video can still be done next week because this is the first week of this ad cycle. And I want to say thank you for joining me once again and thanks for all your support. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I have is on Tylenol Pain Relieving Patch. It's priced at $7.49, but on the app it's priced at $6.99. So I'm going to ask them to adjust the price for me. And they're on the deal of buy one, get $5 back. I'll pick up one, and we have a $3.50 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.49, and I'll get $5 back, making it free and $1.51 money maker. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy two, get $5 back. I'll pick up a baby lips priced at $6.19, but on the app it's priced at $5.79, and I'll ask the cashier to adjust the price for me. To complete this deal, I'll pick up one eyeshadow priced at $5.29. On the app it's priced at $4.79, and I'll ask the cashier to adjust the price for me. These two items will total $10.58. We have a $4 extra care coupon that we'll use, and I also have a 4 off 10 cosmetic CRT that will apply to this. The coupon and the CRT will take off $8, and I'll pay $2.58, get $5 back, making them free, and $2.42 money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how this transaction worked out. All the coupons I mentioned came off. The first one is the $3.50 Tylenol coupon, the $4 off Maybelline extra care coupon applied, and the 4 off 10 any cosmetic CRT also applied. I used $6.03 in extra care box to pay for this, pay 4 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $5 for the Tylenol and also $5 for the Maybelline deal. This ended up making this transaction free and $3.93 money maker. The next deal I have is buy two get $6 back, and Colgate and Hello toothpaste are part of this deal. I'll pick up one Hello toothpaste priced at $6.29 and one Colgate Total toothpaste priced at $5.39. These two will total $11.68. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Hello toothpaste and a $3 digital coupon for the Colgate. I also have a 2 off 8 Colgate CRT. The two coupons and the CRT will take off $7, and I'll pay $4.68 and get $6 back, making them free and $1.32 money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how this transaction worked out. The extra item you see on this receipt is just a filler item because of the extra care box I'm using. The two coupons applied, the $3 for the Colgate and the $2 for the Hello toothpaste. The 2 of 8 Colgate CRT also came off. I used $5 extra care box, paid 4 cents out of pocket, and I got $6 back, making them free and $1.32 money maker. The next deal I picked up is another Colgate deal, but these ones are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. I'll pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh. Both will total $7.98. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that I'll use, and I also have a 2 off 6 Colgate CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $6, and I'll pay $1.98, get 3 back, making them free and $1.02 money maker. For this transaction, because I'm using a different card, I'll add the Tylenol deal to it. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. All the coupons I mentioned earlier on came off. The 4 off 2 coupon for the Colgate and the $3.50 off Tylenol coupon and a 2 off 6 Colgate CRT. I used $6 extra care box, but it adjusted down to $5.47. I paid only tax, got back $5 for the Tylenol and $3 back for the Colgate, making this transaction free and $2.53 money maker. The next deal I picked up is spend 10 get $5 back on any Neutrogena makeup. I picked up the Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine priced at $11.99. I'm going to use a $3 Neutrogena digital coupon, and I also have a 4 off 10 cosmetic CRT that I'll use with this deal. The coupon and the CRT will take off $7, and I'll pay $4.99, get $5 back, making it free and 1 cent money maker. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. The $3 digital coupon came off, and the 4 off 10 any cosmetic CRT applied. I used $5 extra care box that adjusted down to $4.99, paid only tax, and I got back $5, making this free and 1 cent money maker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.